Today I got another video for you guys. Today we're going to be changing the thermostat in this 205 Chevrolet Express. So I already got my thermostat. That's how it came. That's a new one. So we're trying to fish it out. So don't mind me. I already took some parts off this and that. I already took them off. So what next to take off? So I can actually have a free access to that thermostat. So I'm going to be taking these radiator covers. I'm going to take them off, take this coolant off. I'm going to take that off, and also I'm going to take this bolt right here off so this can move easily. So this will be able to move easily because I have to get this out. This I want to get it out. So in order for me to, to be easier. So guys, just follow me. Anybody can take all these off. So there's all the 10mm bolts. All these come out with 10mm bolts. So because for some time now the thermostat have been giving me a warning light on the dash, and I was just resetting the faults. But at this point I just felt I should just go ahead and replace it. So guys, all these got to come out. So when I take this off, about to take this off, I'll let you see how you're gonna take it out. So guys, as you can see, now I got access to the thermostat. So this is my replacement up here, and that's the one. I think it just stuck open or something like that. That's why now it's stuck in there. So when it's stuck in there because of these, I have to use a plier to bring it out. So guys, super simple. Not simple. Don't get it twisted, bro. It's not simple. It's not simple, man. It's not simple. I'm not going to tell someone, if you can't do it, don't do it, man. It's not simple, guys. Now, guys, what I want to do now, I want to take that one out and replace it. And after that, you couple everything back. And that's it. You're all done. Guys, please like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.